Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to delete multiple files using Glob. So first of all, what you have to do is you'll have to install Glob using pip and then import the module into the program. So on my desktop I've got a folder called test. I've got some txt files in and I'm just going to create a Word document there, and I think I'll create another file. Let's have a look. A PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to have a look at the extension on that. So the extension is .pptx. Okay. So we're going to delete all those files there. So let's go back here and start the code, shall we? So I'm going to create a function and I'm going to call it del files, delete files. So we're going to delete multiple files at once. Right, so just above it here I'm going to create a path to those files. Path is my desktop. Users, mark, desktop, test. Okay, so that's the path. And we're just going to use os.chdir path. So we'll change into that path, which is my desktop and the folder with all the files in. Now your desktop path is going to be slightly different to this, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path, because simply typing in this code here will not work on your system. Okay, so I'm going to print a message to the user, print deleting files, so the user knows exactly what's going on in the program. And then we're going to import the time module here, import time. This comes as bog standard on every system, so you won't have to install time. And then it's just time.sleep. We're going to pass it an argument of 1, which is 1 second, so it's going to pause the program for 1 second. Then we're going to create a variable called del multi files, which just means delete multiple files, and we're going to assign it, and we're going to use glob module. So that's going to be glob.glob, and it's going to be asterisk, and the first file we want to get rid of is .txt, and we're just going to do another one there. Let's just in a little bit. So that's going to be glob dot, whoops, made a mistake there, glob dot glob, and the next file that we want to delete, asterisk dot docx, that's the Word file, and the last one, it's going to be glob.glob. It's going to be .pptx. So that's the presentation file. So those are the files that the file extensions that we're going to delete there. Now we're just going to have to do a for loop. Just increase that a little bit. So for, I'm going to use f in del multi files, os.remove. So this will delete those files. F. So we're just going to go into the folder. We're going to iterate over every file, and if they have docx, so spotted a mistake there. That should be dot. If they're .txt, .docx, .pptx, they're going to be removed. And then we simply print a message to the user telling the user what's happened. I'm going to use string to format it. So it's going to be, whoops, it'll be F. That will give the name of the file. Removed. Right, all we have to do now is call the program del files, save it, run it. Okay, so there you go. It says deleting files, remove the TXTs, the Microsoft, and the PPTX. Okay, let's go and check that out, shall we? And there we go, everything's gone. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.